आज आपके सामने है क्लास 8 चैप्टर 12 द ह्यूमन सीजन, जिसका एक्सप्लेनेशन पहले ही अपलोड हो चुका है और आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स को। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, हाउ हैज़ द पोइट डिस्क्राइब द स्प्रिंग सीजन ऑफ ह्यूमंस लाइफ, कि किस तरीके से पोइट ने स्प्रिंग सीजन को ह्यूमन लाइफ के साथ डिस्क्राइब किया है। द पोइट हैज़ डिस्क्राइब द स्प्रिंग सीजन एज अ ब्यूटिफुल, short and sweet. Spring is the first season of the year which is compared to the first stage of life, childhood. The spring season is described as a season of vigor, energy, enthusiasm which is enjoyed by human being in his childhood. पोइट ने स्प्रिंग सीजन को डिस्क्राइब करते हुए इसके लिए कुछ वर्ड्स यूज़ किए गए हैं, जैसे ब्यूटीफुल, शॉर्ट और स्वीट। स्प्रिंग सीजन हमारे फर्स्ट ईयर का फर्स्ट सीजन है जिसे चाइल्डहुड से कंपेयर किया गया है, जिसमें वाइगर यानी ताकत, जोश और उत्साह भरा होता है, जैसे कि एक बच्चे के अंदर भरा होता है। अकॉर्डिंग टू द पोइट, व्हाट डज अ ह्यूमन थिंक अबाउट, पोइट के मुताबिक इंसान क्या सोचता है इस बारे में। अकॉर्डिंग टू द पोइट, अ ह्यूमन थिंक्स अबाउट द स्वीट थिंग्स ऑफ हिज चाइल्डहुड इन हिज यूथ। मैन इज एबल टू थिंक अबाउट व्हाट वी हैव डन इन अवर चाइल्डहुड। पोइट के मुताबिक एक इंसान अपने बचपन की बेहतरीन यादों के बारे में सोचता है जो उसने बचपन में की हैं। What does a human soul has quite coves? What does the poet mean by that? According to the poet, answer is, according to the poet, a human soul has quiet coves in the autumn season. When he is old and mature and tired, the poet means that human life slow down and become calm. He wants shelter in quiet place to let things and time just pass by ignore. Question 4. How does the poet describe the winter of a human? Answer is, the last stage of man's life, which is old age, is compared to the winter season. It reminds us the mortal nature of a man. This feature suggests that at this stage the man physically appearance become pale, which means physical strength become to fall. The energy which is used to have in no longer there. He does not look that fresh. At this stage, people become mentally prepared to leave the world that is for death. Answer this question. Who take in all the beauty? Answer is, the human being is in his childhood take in all the beauty. What does he do? Answer is, during his childhood, the human is healthy, carefree, and his mind is fresh and free of thoughts. He take all the beauty with an easy span, no compulsion or force. He observe whatever is happen around him and accept everything easily with no confusion. Next है think and answer. Write a short note on imaginary use in the poem. Answer is, the poem The Human Season is beautiful thought provoking meditation and on the different stage of human life. The poem is full of vivid imaginary that help to bring different season to life and to create a sense of interconnected of all things. Last question of this chapter, why has the poet described autumn elaborately? The third stage of human life, which is middle age, is compared to the autumn season, which suggests some emotional closure and resignation its own thoughts. This is a very important phase of life as we learn the truth of life and understand the right things. A man at this stage is no longer interested to participate in every activity or thought around him. Man at this stage is contented to allow things to pass by, thereby attending completely composure of mind. This is the longest stage of life among all. So the poet described autumn so elaborately.